Now to the pandemic and COVID-19 vaccines. They're close to full FDA approval, says America's top doctor, Anthony Fauci. And with that, could be a domino effect on vaccine mandates. Today in the Bay, Cierra Johnson joins us live in San Francisco with a story that could eventually really change all of our lives, Cierra.
Yeah, good morning, Laura. That's exactly right. The full approval would definitely have a domino effect on all of our lives. Dr. Anthony Fauci made the rounds on those Sunday morning political talk shows. He says we could expect full FDA approval in just a matter of weeks. Dr. Anthony Fauci also explained that full FDA approval, you can expect to see some private companies issuing vaccine mandates for employees. Take a listen as he discusses the changes we could see following full approval.
If that's the case, you're going to see the empowerment of local enterprises giving mandates. That could be colleges, universities, places of business, a whole variety, and I strongly support that.
And as President Joe Biden recently approved rules requiring federal workers to provide proof of vaccination or face regular testing and mask mandates, we also found some local small business owners here implementing vaccine mandates. The owner of La Pizzeria restaurant in Campbell, as well as Cupertino, has already required her more than 20 employees to be vaccinated.
It's fair for the staff working on the restaurant, it's fair for the client, for the customer, they feel safe. And so we have been, all my staff already vaccinated since April, all of them. And even though it's not mandatory.
So as Dr. Anthony Fauci predicts, we could see more businesses, more schools, more companies following suit like that pizzeria and issuing those mandatory vaccines. Laura, Marcus.
Well, it's interesting, too, because France, for example, has made strides with their version of that vaccination passport. The QR code, it can be shown to show that, you know, you've got your vaccination or if you've got a negative test results. But people, they're not liking it there at all.
Yeah, that's exactly right. Some of those early reports shows that the French are not fans of that QR code passport. I was reading some reports where hundreds of thousands of folks have actually been protesting over the weekend about this passport. You need it to enter some cafes. You even need it for some forms of public transportation. So the folks there not excited about what the French president has implemented in terms of that QR code passport.
Yeah, and it's always interesting to see the reaction to those and what could possibly happen here. Thanks so much, Cierra.